What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about things you need to know if you're door dashing and 5 tips to help you make more money while you're door dashing. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you love it, subscribe. I got all the best hits and tips and bangers for y'all, so make sure you subscribe. All right, I'm gonna get right into this video. I do want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate that, and I love making these videos for y'all. If I could help anybody, I love it. It's crazy. One subscriber said they never ever received a $10 order. I can't even imagine that. I probably would have had to go to a different city. That's what I suggested in the comments. So if y'all ever experience something like that and you're not receiving $10 orders, I mean, check your ratings, call DoorDash, go to a new city. You gotta do something. You gotta get you some $10 orders in your life. All right, so for tip number 1, we do not wait. We do not get paid to wait, so don't ever wait. If an order is not ready, I would give it probably 5 minutes max, maybe 10 minutes if it's a $20 order. If it's a $20 order, it's probably evening dinner rush, and it's probably worth waiting that 10 minutes. If it's 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, do not wait. I had an order earlier today. They told me it was going to be 15 minutes. I absolutely turned right around and canceled the order. So don't wait. I also tried this theory again before I tried at a breakfast spot. The order was supposed to be ready 5 minutes before I got there. I got there 5 minutes early. I ended up waiting 30 minutes on purpose. I don't even know why it took 30 minutes, but it did. And I called DoorDash, and they was just like, you know, anytime you like that, cancel the order. But I was trying to save my ratings, so that sucked, but never wait. So this is gonna be like tip 1.5. Don't do Instacart. No, seriously, don't do Instacart. They suck. I know in my area they only pay like 12 or 13 an hour. Maybe it's a lot of Instacart shoppers out there, or Instacart delivery drivers. Don't do Instacart. So if you haven't left the video right now, I feel like this tip is the best tip out of all the tips I have to offer. That doesn't mean leave the video after this tip. But for tip number 2, if you don't have it, download the Para app. P-A-R-A. Para. Download that app. And what's so good about this app is it shows you the tip transparency. I won't lie, it's not 100,000% accurate. It's like 97-ish% accurate. It's mostly accurate for the most part, and it tells you how much the customer tipped. It tells you how much the order is in total. It tells you how long the drive is going to take you, and it tells you what they have in the order. Everything is really trip transparency. Disclaimer, I won't say it like, you know, it's true, but I feel like DoorDash knows sometimes you have the Para app on, because obviously the Para app receives information from the DoorDash app, and I'm pretty sure it works the same way with DoorDash. They might receive information from Para. So be careful with the Para app. Anytime I use it, the orders usually are okay. Sometimes though, I'm a little skeptical. The orders come in kind of crazy, but you still end up averaging out whatever you plan to make. Like sometimes I plan to make $200 a day, and it averages out to $200 a day. So I can't complain, but that's definitely a golden egg tip. Tell people. I just want to take a second to say, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe if you love the video. Even if you don't love the video, subscribe if you like it. It helps support the channel. It helps let me know that I am making some good content for you. Like I said, I enjoy making the content, so subscribe if you like it. So for tip number 4 is going to be your shopping delivery orders. If you're good with shopping and you pick stuff up on time and you're quick with it, they are more likely to send you more shopping orders, or priority shopping orders. They actually send you a weekly shopping report every week in your email. I don't know if you all check your emails. I do. I'm a nerd sometimes. But I check my emails every day, and they send weekly emails about your shopping reports. They tell you how fast you did whatever you did, how fast you picked your item, and you know, if you were basically a good shopper. So keep an eye on that. They do prioritize good shoppers, and typically with shopping orders, it's a better chance to get a higher tip. So if you're trying to make more money with DoorDash, be a better shopper, get them done quick. Don't do Instacart, they suck, and you'll get prioritized for better shopping orders, thus making more money. So I don't know if anybody has ever been annoyed when you have a business delivery and it says leave it at the door, like you just know the person is at the door, or you just know nobody's gonna walk up and just pick up the order from the outside door of a business. It could be a hospital, it could be anything, and they just assume that you know. So if you ever get a business order and they say leave it at the door, the process I always go through is text and call. When I get there, as I'm parking, call, shoot them a text message. If you're at a red light, don't text and drive, it's unsafe. Send them a text message. When you get there, call them, make sure they know you're there. Ask them if they want you to leave it at the door. 9 times out of 10, they'll say hand it to somebody, or they'll have a drop-off area because of, you know, everything that's been going on with COVID and whatnot. But they'll have a drop-off spot. I don't know why they don't just say, you know, leave it in directions, like drop it off here, or, you know, call when you get here, I'll be there. But that's tip number 5. If you're in a business area, make sure you communicate with the client or the customer so they know that you're there with their food. Otherwise, you might be standing there wasting time trying to figure out where to deliver it, thus wasting time, losing money. We don't lose money, we don't waste time. Time is money, and that's what we do. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you like the tips on how to make more money with DoorDash. I enjoy making these videos. Put the comments in the comment section and like the video, and I'll be back with another video in a week or 2 weeks. The more people that like and subscribe, the more videos I'm more likely to post. So share with your friends, share with your families. If you have a team of DoorDash drivers, you know, share with them so everybody can make this money. Till next time.